Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna open a package, but that package is kind of heavy. So there's no way I'm gonna carry that. So the first thing, I have one slime and extras, but I don't see no notes, so let's just get it. So the first thing I see, oh, there's my first slime. The container is dirty. Look at that, guys. And then over here is dirty. And she said no refunds, so that's weird. And this slime was $6. And the extras, but they're not just extras. I mean, it's good slime, but like it breaks pretty fast. And it's still not fun. Hold on, and look at the freaking container. Look at the freaking container. What the heck? So the next thing I pulled out was this. What the heck is it? This so like, oh, what the heck? Let me get some. It barely comes out. And I don't know from who it's from, but like I forgot the name. It's slime.com. No. It's another one. So, but the next thing I pulled out was, oh my gosh, I can't get this. Ew, that's so freaking nasty. Look guys, it's freaking used. Put that to the side. So I got this. It's a cute perfume, but it's freaking used again. And plus, it's naked. Why would it be naked? Nope. It almost went down there. It smells good, but like naked. No, that's not acceptable. So, put it to the side. What is this? Ooh, it's freaking used again, guys. What the heck? Well, this is, if it smells good, yeah. It smells really freaking good. But it's freaking used, what the heck? So, what is this? Ew. Guys, look at this. Is this even water or contact lotion? Yes, contact lotion, but it's, what the heck? Look at the outside. And it's burning in this half. I'm so disappointed in what I got so far. So the next thing, and it's in a package, so that's what it sounds like that. Got this. Oh, it says made by Rihanna. And I guess this goes together because it's like the same color. So this goes together. So let's see if it's used. It's freaking used. What the freak? This slime is an epic. At least these are extras. But like, this is the worst extra ever. Anyway, next thing. So I got this. It's freaking used. What the heck? Oh, where's the freaking top? I think this is the top for this one. It's cute though, but like, let me see. It's definitely not for this one, I think. My hands are so slippery from that lotion. But anyway, the next thing I got. So this is the last thing. Let's go. Yeah. What is this? A face mask.